Welcome to the Turning Point Rock English channel. If you are new, so please join us because this channel gives you the best educational videos for your kids. If you practice these sentences with me, your English speaking skills will improve. So let's move towards our today's video that is about daily use English sentences you can practice yourself and with your kids. First sentence is, I will try my level best. The examination is on my head. The examination is on my head. Please come as soon as possible. Please come as soon as possible. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Would you please speak slowly? Would you please speak slowly? Call me any day. Call me any day. May you be successful. May you be successful. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? We are making cards. We are making cards. It's an interesting book. It's an interesting book. I will come again. I will come again. I enjoy drawing. I enjoy drawing. You should improve your handwriting. You should improve your handwriting. Come along with me. Come along with me. Will she go? Will she go? It's up to you. It's up to you. I am not in hurry. I am not in hurry. How do I look? How do I look? He did something change. He did something change. When will you reach? When will you reach? Thank you for the advice. Thank you for the advice. Thank you for supporting me. Please don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.